All right. Well, the food did come. I've got a small steak sub and a medium pizza here waiting for me. I'm gonna go face first into that.
It's N6TLU. Have you ever wanted to run the Hallicrafter S-40B with a transmitter? Well, as sold, this receiver only came with a front panel standby switch. There is no way to easily mute this receiver remotely for use with the transmitter. But I've got a solution. And here's my solution, the new D-Lab K1S muting module. The following video will demonstrate how to add standby function to a Hallicrafters S-40B. This system can also apply to other receivers. Contact me with the make and model. I've got these in stock and they can be configured for your application. First step, you're going to install a terminal board near the front of the chassis. This is a 3-position board, center is ground. There's already a hole for the terminal board. Next, you're going to cut the wire that's coming from the sensitivity control and normally goes over to the send receive switch. You're going to cut that in the middle and land those 2 leads on the outside lugs of the terminal board. And then you're going to install a twisted pair from those 2 lugs and route it back to the K1S module for connection. Now we move to the audio tube, which is a 6K6 labeled V6 on your schematic. You're going to lift the 680 ohm resistor and the 10 microfarad low sides and swing them up here to this unused lug of the terminal board. Then you're going to take a twisted pair from that lug and ground and you're going to route those back to the K1S for connection. Now you're going to drill and mount a chassis mount RCA jack to the rear of the chassis and also find a convenient location to mount your standby module. Next we're going to wire the module. The blue leads are the standby. The gray ones are for the audio output. You can see how they're wired per my diagram. The green wire is a filament supply which you're going to snag off of one of the tubes. You have one lead that goes to chassis and the purple lead is your switch lead which activates the module. So everything is wired up. Make sure to check your wiring per the diagram. It is time to test the standby system. Okay, let's test our standby system. You're going to leave the front panel standby receive switch in receive. I've inserted an RCA plug and on this end you would normally have your TR switch with a muting contact. So we'll bring up our volume. There's the station. And then if you're going to transmit, it mutes. Back to receive, mute. A couple quick notes on the K1S muting module. The relay is only activated when you're in transmit mode, meaning you've grounded the center of that RCA jack. When it's receiving, the relay is in its de-energized state, applying the ground to the cathode of the audio output tube and completing the sensitivity line, meaning you have receive. The other thing is when you're not using the module, the maximum voltage on that RCA jack is only 8 volts DC. So there you have it, the new little K1S module. These measure approximately 1 inch by 1.5 inches, easily mounted in any receiver. And I also can configure these for pretty much any receiver. Just contact me with your needs and we'll make it happen.